Well, I was not expecting this whatsoever. I wake up, me and my dad get ready. We're like, oh, why not go see how the Safari's doing at the shop, right? Like, what stage they're at, like, if they barely took out the engine, if, yeah, you know, just see where everything's at. And we're a block away from the shop, and they call us. And they said, oh, the Safari's ready. And I'm like, what? There goes the old engine. So much has happened in this last hour. I'm still trying to comprehend everything. But yeah, the plan is hopefully bring home the Safari today. And yeah, we'll see what happens. And we are in the Safari. Let's go. Now I gotta drive it home. This ought to be good. Tundra versus Caprice. Oh. Well, he took the red light. I'm not even gonna try and race the Tundra in this. Oh. Safari is now back home. It's good to have it back. And as I don't know if a lot of you noticed, but it was a week. It's been a week, and it's done. We dropped it off last Thursday, and the day that I'm recording this right now is Thursday the 2nd. We dropped it off last Thursday, and it's done. They were on their shit. Like, they said they would have been done earlier, but they had to wait for some other guy to get there and fix part of the frame. But still, a week like that, it was nothing, right? Yeah. That is it for today's video, and if you don't want to miss any other stuff that's done to the Safari, because a lot of stuff has already been done to it, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to smash that like button. But with that being said, I will see you in the next one.